Stop scrolling and listen. If you're still struggling to add overlays on CapCut, that ends today. Because by the time this video is over, you're going to know exactly how to add videos, pictures, and reactions on top of your videos like a pro, with no confusion, no stress, just clean, confident editing. Maybe you have been wanting to react to a video or put your face on the screen just like this, but you don't just know how to do it properly. Well, guess what? You're about to master that right now using CapCut. Hey Team Teenage Barbies, welcome back to the channel, and let me turn you into an overlay queen or king. And of course, we have a full CapCut tutorials on this channel if you want more videos like this. So make sure you check that out after watching this video. And don't forget to like, comment, share the video, and subscribe to the channel without forgetting to turn on your post notification bell. So each time I drop a video, you're definitely going to be the first person to be notified. Please subscribe to the channel. Before we jump to my screen, let me give you this quick tip. The key to every professional overlay is planning your main video first. Always decide what your background is going to be like. This may sound very simple, but most beginners skip these steps and end up messing their overlays. With that being said, and without wasting no time, let's jump to my screen. Open CapCut and tap on New Project or New Video. Choose your main video, and this is going to be your background clip. Now watch carefully. Add the main clip. This right here is your base. Everything else is going to sit on top of this clip. Now here is where the magic happens. Tap overlay at the bottom, then tap add overlay. Choose the video or picture you want to place on top as overlay. I will go with this video. Tap overlay again at the bottom of your screen, and boom, you have added your overlay. Now let's make this overlay looks professional. You will notice once you take add overlay, the overlay will be placed on top of the screen, maybe on your face or where you don't want it to be. So what you have to do is you use your finger to put it to where you want it to be. And again, you can also use your two fingers to pinch the overlay out or in to resize it depending on the size you want, like this, out and in. So let's just make this look nice. So I will just pinch it out so the overlay will be big enough, and then place it where I want it to be. Right here, I want it to be here, and yeah, I will just resize it just like this. Perfect. You see how easy that was? Most people overcomplicate this, but we don't. If your overlay is a video, tap on it and adjust the volume depending on whether you want it louder or softer than your main clip. Remember, this is your main clip right here. That is your main clip, and this is your overlay. You can see once I tap on it, down below it will be highlighted. So that is your main clip, and this is your overlay. If also you want the volume of your main clip to be louder than your overlay, then tap on your main clip, go on volume, and you can increase and decrease the volume from here. Then you take OK, and the volume will be louder. So I reduce the volume because I want you guys to hear what I'm saying. Let's say, for example, you're trying to react to a video, and of course, when you're doing reaction to a video, most of the time you will not want your main clip plus the overlay to start playing at the same time. Maybe you want your overlay to start playing after some few seconds, like this. You don't want that to happen because, of course, the overlay plus the main video, as you can see on the screen, is playing at the same time. We don't want that. So what you will do is you tap on your overlay on the screen, then drag it to where you want it to start playing, then release your finger. You can see this video is just 18 seconds. So let's say, for example, we are trying to react to a video, you start talking from here and all of that, trying to show something, and then you want your overlay to pop up, and yeah, it pop-ups at this point, and your overlay will play up to the point where you don't want it to play anymore, and it goes off. If you want your overlay to be at the bottom like this, it's still okay. If you want it to be at this side, still fine. If you want it to be in the middle, it's still okay. You can place your overlay anywhere. So why it is like this? Because this video, I took it in a portrait form, not landscape. That's why you see it like this. So if it was landscape, Once I place it here, you will see it will be in landscape format. But yeah, it's portrait, which is still fine. Once everything looks perfect, tap the export button at the top of your screen and then export your video. And that's how you add overlays on CapCut like a pro. And you are not just editing, you're editing with confidence. If this video helped you, comment overlay queen or king down below. And if you're serious about leveling up your editing skills, make sure you subscribe to Team Tinashe Barbies, because on this channel, we don't just edit basics. We edit like queens and kings. So make sure you share, comment, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notification. And I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.